I got a big smile on my face. It's a low light overhead shot. A nice hot day. The wind is kicking and I don't have to yell too loud to the camera because I got a camera that's gonna pick my voice up just fine. I'm in focus and I can see my front screen without a lock. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to rate, comment, show that love. It helps the channel out. It helps support. And you know what's best. I need a little adjustment. Oh yeah. I love adjusting my camera to a proper ergonomic angle. Yes indeed. And off we go. By now you know I got a better bike camera, which is the GoPro Hero 10. Oh man, does that mean I should go get a GoPro Hero 11? If I'm switching the cameras, I switch time to time. Look at that guy, just run the red light. Look at that. Don't care, has no care in the world. And that's why you have a camera, a dash cam, and all that good stuff on, right? Oh, let's go chase him down. How far did he get? Did he get that far? Oh man, he's got up to the next light. If I wanted to, I could huff and puff and stuff and say, hey, why'd you run that light? Ooh, he was speeding down too. Look at that bad boy go. This is called the bike lane. And all the cars park in the bike lane because they didn't put the green on it. See? I'm back in my bike lane. I guess we do everything what we want. You want to get an Action 3? Get an Action 3. You want to get a GoPro Hero 11? Get a GoPro Hero 11. I'm not the one that can tell you what to do. You're the one that can do whatever you want. I should have put the camera on. That guy again, he just ran the red light as well. Unbelievable. We do what we want in life. I just don't get people. If you take a look, that next light's red, he'll probably try to go through it, and I gotta stop the camera there. I'm waiting. He ain't gonna go through this time. This is why we got barricades up today. We get people like that just run the red light. Nobody on this road. Woo, nice and quiet. Yes indeed, and the wind is starting to kick. It's starting to kick up. So this would be one of my spots I will come on out. Take the DRC Challenger that goes 30 plus kilometers an hour, or knots an hour, or miles per hour. They say miles per hour. Somebody clocked it at 22. And what gets me is, if the water's going to be like this, a little choppy, that boat's going to be skipping all along and jumping all along. And the wind is kicking, so I will have a good time having fun right over here, going all the way out and keeping close to the shoreline. Definitely indeed. Winter time wouldn't be the time to go out there and have fun. Oh, sure it would be, man. It's the best time in the world. It's cool, it's cold, it doesn't overheat the motor, it doesn't overheat the GoPro, it doesn't overheat the DJI, it doesn't overheat the Insta, it doesn't overheat the Sony, it doesn't overheat the Nikon, it doesn't overheat the Canon, it doesn't overheat the Panasonic, it doesn't overheat the Fuji, it doesn't overheat your camera. That is nice, man. I just noticed that. That's a Thor. Look at that. Got the two hammers, it got the Superman symbol, and it's got the Thor writing. Just waiting for that sunrise. I don't think I'm gonna make it today. It's got a lot of cloud there, right where that bird's flying in front. You can see it just starting to rise. I wonder if I should just put the camera on a time lapse. I don't have the time to wait around. I gotta get on out. the bakery, it's grand open. It's been open. I gotta wait till 7 o'clock. Welcome to Cement City, baby. Yeah, you gotta love Cement City. Yes, indeed. Oh, we ride and we go where we want, do with what we want.